everyone, this is Neha and we are studying comparing quantities. So now we are going to study about tax. So in your book there are two taxes are given, sale tax and VAT, that is value added tax, right? So sale tax is the tax applied on the purchased item, or we can say the amount on which some of the increase is taken, some of the percent increase, right, on the total shopping amount. But VAT is applied on a product on different stages. Like at the time of manufacturing, buying the raw material and the selling. These are the different stages of a product. On these stages, if any tax is applied, that is known as VAT. But in your book there is no difference between VAT and tax. Basically tax is just an increment in the amount, right? So we can say that tax is increment percentage of any amount. Okay, let's take an example for it. Ram has bought an article for rupees 100 and a sale tax of 10% is applied on it. What amount Ram has to pay to the shopkeeper? What did the question saying? Ram has bought an article for rupees 100 and a sale tax of 10% is applied on it. Sale tax is applied on it, that means there is an increase in the final amount, right? So we can calculate it by 10% of 100 plus 100 is equal to the final amount which Ram has to pay to the shopkeeper, right? So 10% of 100 is 10 plus 100 is equal to final amount. So total amount he has to pay is 110 rupees. So Ram will buy the article at rupees 110 after applying the sale tax, right? Let's do questions from exercise 8.2 which are related to tax. So question number 8. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sale tax charged on it is at rate 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Okay, what is said? Price of TV is equal to rupees 13,000. Tax is 12%, right? That means there is an increase of 12% in this amount. So what we will do? We will just add this 12% of 13,000 into 13,000 to get final amount which Vinod has to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, 12 divided by 100 multiplied 13,000 plus 13,000 is equal to final amount. Two zeros will cancel out with this. Now multiply 12 threes are 36, 12 ones are 12, 15 and 1 0 plus 13,000 is equal to final amount. Now add these. We will get 0, 6, 5, oh sorry, not 5, 0, 6, yes, 0, 6, 5, 4, 1. So this will be the amount which Vinod has to pay to the shopkeeper if he buys the TV. Alright, let's do question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays 1600, find the mark price. This is based on the discount. So discount, we know that discount is just like loss, right? Let's do question number 9. That is not of tax, but we are on the go, so we will do this also. So SP of skates is equal to 1600. Yes, discount is 20% and we don't know about the CP, so we let the CP is X, right? So if we calculate 20% of X 20% of X this is the discount, right? Discount is just like loss percentage. So we can apply loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP multiply 100, right? So we don't know about loss and we don't know about the SP also. So what we have to do? We can do X minus 20% of X is equal to 1600. Right? What we have done? This was CP. Right? And from this CP, the shopkeeper has given 20% discount also. After the discount, we got the price 1600. Right? So, same thing we have done. CP minus discount is equal to SP. Right? So, X minus 20 divided by 100 multiply X is equal to 1600. Solve it. 21s are 20, 25s are X minus X by 5 is equal to 1600. X is equal to 1600 multiply 5. X is equal to 1600 multiply 5 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So we get X is equal to 2000. Right? So the CP was 2000 and we got the skates at 20% discount. So we have to pay 1600. Right? Now the question number 10. So question number 10 is rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before the VAT. This 10th question is just like the discount, because after applying the VAT we have to decrease the amount, right, for the CP. Okay. Now one question was left in this exercise, that is question number 7. So I'm just giving you the idea how to solve it. So milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees to 20,000 each. On one he made 5% gain and on another a loss of 10%. Find the overall gain or loss. Okay. So suppose we have buffalo 1 which was sold at rupees 20,000, buffalo 2 which was also sold at rupees 20,000. Now for buffalo 1 we got a gain, right? So a gain of 5%, and here we don't know about the CP, so let CP is equal to X, CP1 and CP2 for it is also X. Now for B1, for buffalo 1, what we have to do, 5% of X plus X will give 20,000. What we have done, there is an increase in amount. Why? Because we got some gain, right? So gain is just like increment, so we will just solve it. Plus X is equal to 20,000. Now in second case, for buffalo 2 we got a loss of 10%. So what we will do, X minus 10% of X is equal to 20,000, right? What we have done, we got loss, so loss will be subtracted from the CP, right? If we subtract the loss from the CP, then only we will get the SP, right? So on solving, what we will get, we will get both the CP. So from there we can compare the overall gain or loss. Alright, calculate it on your own and compare it with the selling price. You will get your gain or loss in the overall transaction. So this was your exercise 8.2, which was based on profit and loss, percentage and tax.